Hi, today I'm going to show you how to pot up the tomatoes in a hanging basket. When choosing a hanging basket, it's good to get the biggest one you can, and this is about 18 inches apart. But this one's got lots of holes in. I do like these baskets for the flowers. Check out a video of planting them with flowers. But I'm going to cut up this compost bag and we're going to make a liner for inside the basket. And that will keep the compost in place and will also keep it moist. These tomatoes do like moist compost. So I'm just lining this basket, putting the black side on the outside, and it fits nicely in my basket. So I'm just filling this up. I'm using a bit of homemade compost as well as some multi-purpose compost. So we filled up our basket half full, and we've got our tomato plants, and tomato plants for the basket such as Tumbling Tom or tumblers are perfect. And I'm going to add 3 plants to this basket. I'm just going to place them in their pots, spacing them equally, and then I'm just going to fill up the rest of the basket with this compost. Firming it down as we go. Pressing it nice and firm. Try not to catch the chain in the pot. All around the edge of the pots. In the middle. Good on the end here. So we've got our 3 tomato plants in the pot, and all we have to do then is we take our tomato plant with our pre-buried hole, squeeze it, and then it can go straight in the hole it came from. Press it firmly, and there we go. Same with this one. Squeeze, slight tap, and then in the hole. Squeeze, and there we go. So we've got our 3 tomato plants. Just making sure there's nothing buried. That's great. So I'm just firming them in. Pressing them down. And there we go. Then we're going to give it a good water. And then we're going to hang this into the greenhouse. and watch the tomatoes grow. Job done. So that's a quick and easy job. So let me know in the comments, have you grown tomatoes in a hanging basket and have you had any success?